Hi guys, this is one of the most beautiful video you will see on the internet today. Honestly. So yesterday in Rome at the Vatican, the prayer of the faithful was offered in Igbo. During the Pope Christmas night vigil, the prayer of the faithful was recited in Igbo. Are you not proud of being Igbo? I am so proud of being Igbo.
And now, in Igbo.
Gị okwu Chineke onye jiri maka ihi
Word of
anyị
God,
bụrụ
who
mmadụ
became man for us, support those who, in this
kwado
holy
ndị
year,
niile
have asked for
yọrọ
mercy
maka
and forgiveness,
mgbaghara
so
na
that
ebere
they be
n'ime
sustained on
afọ
their
nke
journey
a
through
dị
life.
asọ. Ka ị were nọnyere ha na njem nke ndụ.
Igbo language is global. Or the global. Where are those people who are saying that Igbo language cannot make you go international? Where are they? Let them come and see that Igbo language is international. As an Oni Igbo, are you not proud of being Igbo? Because I am proud of being Igbo. I am proud. Hey, Igbo Amaka. Igbo language is the best. Igbo people are the best. As an Igbo person, speak your language. Suba Susogi, be proud of it. Because Igbo Amaka, yes.